Hello. Here's something interesting. How the market punishes impatience but rewards illusion. The market rarely punishes immediately. It punishes over time. Therefore, most people do not see the connection between behavior and outcome. Impatience is not punished by an immediate loss. It causes a series of wrong decisions. These decisions seem justified at the moment. The market punishes impatience. Long-term consequences. An impatient participant constantly seeks a signal. However, if a signal does not appear, they look for a reason to change their stance. Thus, the direction constantly changes. No process gets a chance to complete. The market rewards this with apparent activity. However, in the long run, it exhausts reason. The trap: constant signal seeking in direction changes. Illusion often appears as a reward. Projects with big promises get attention. Also, loud narratives and quick moves attract interest. This attention is misinterpreted as validation of value. In fact, it is only temporary interest. The market does not reward illusion because it is good, it rewards it because it generates movement. Movement attracts new participants. New participants feed the illusion. This cycle can last a long time, however, it always ends the same way. This happens quietly and without warning. The illusion of quick success. Temporary interest is not value. Impatience then comes at a price. Those who have not built